I'm gonna set myself on fire.
Quite some time ago, Billy and I spent 3 years exploring Middle-earth.
I did often confuse the two of you.
What better way to find out about a culture than through the food that they eat?
What would you call that flavour?
Delicious.
That little cart has become a little house.
Like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
Yeah, except there's alcohol in it.
I'm getting really drunk.
Welcome to the Outer Hebrides.
Let's make cheese.
Cream, butter, cheese.
That is one of the great pleasures of life, to just eat some cuisine.
And the company is lovely.
On to another adventure.
Cheers.
Billy and Dom Eat the World. New series April 11th on Flavour Network. Stream on Stack TV and the Global TV app.